Hello and welcome to our online videos. You reached us because you received one of our short videos that we have out there on the internet, and the one specifically is on FHA. We created this video and that short video because a lot of you are asking about FHA loans because you tried your modification, or even our clients. We have done over 800 loan modifications, and our clients ask us, well, why was my FHA loan denied? Now, granted, up front we explain to people the red flags that they may have when we process their modifications. So let me explain to you about FHA. FHA is a different animal. There are more stricter guidelines to FHA loans than any other. So the first thing you need to do is ask your lender if you do in fact have an FHA loan. Now, when we put your file together for you, if you choose to do that, we have other kits that help you along, and but we initiate the entire file and put it all together for you. But for those of you who do it on your own and continue to do it on your own, or are contemplating doing this on your own, remember, ask your lender for FHA. What is it? Because if you are 12 months delinquent and you have an FHA loan, once you go beyond 12 months without paying your FHA loan, you will not be modified under the Making Homes Affordable for FHA loans. So therefore, you should never default more than 12 months. A lot of people wait till they're 8, 9, 10 months behind, and then next thing you know, it's a year behind and they haven't paid 12 payments in FHA. Now they won't help them under the Making Homes Affordable. If your back-end ratio is beyond 55%, they will not help you. Now, this is why debt consolidation comes into play as well, and we have other videos explaining how debt consolidation would help you in the long run and for a loan modification. Now, let's discuss the bottom ratio or back-end ratio. Your housing expense. Your housing expense is defined as your principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and any homeowners association payments that you may have every month. That plus any of your living expenses. The sum of those two, that creates your total living monthly expense. If that is more than 55% of your gross income, your gross household income, they will not help you. Second scenario, if you submit your loan while being 7 months late, and they do not give you a decision or even a trial period before 12 months late, what happens? Although you submitted it 7 or 8 months into your default period, once you're 12 months late, they may not help you either. So the logical question is, yeah, but I submitted it when I was 8 months late. So what? They might come to you and say, you know what? You're now 12 months late, so we can't help you. However, depending on the bank, if they are willing to do a traditional modification for you, they can opt to do that. Now, the traditional modifications can be as aggressive as the Making Homes Affordable, or they may not be. Traditional modifications can be the same interest rate you had, or even higher than you had. So the guidelines are not as clear for traditional modifications. So typically when we put a file together for our clients, this becomes less of a non-issue because we understand how to present each file, whether it's a traditional or an in-house Making Homes Affordable modification. So I hope this video helps on your FHA loans. You have to be careful with them because they are a different animal. You will receive other videos and links to other questions and expanded videos that we have to help you along with your modification. So I do hope this helped you, and good luck on your modification.